We are about to solve this F-250 customer's problem. You know what the problem is? Come over here. He does not have the tonneau cover. Everything is getting wet, everything is getting stolen. So guess what? We're about to install the best hard drive folding in the world. The problem is solved with the best tonneau cover in the market, TonnoFlip. Yes, you can step on it. Nothing is gonna happen to this tonneau cover because it holds up to 800 pounds of weight on top of it. Now, look at this. Hard folding tonneau cover with aluminum panels. We have a handle here instead of a cable, TFP. 2 prop rods so you can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds. Put them up here, secure to drive around. Put them back down. 100% access to your bed. Close it up. 3 panels, easy operation from inside the bed and from outside. Close it up. The best tonneau cover in the world. TonnoFlip, and you're gonna be able to get it soon at TonnoFlip.com. We're launching in March 2026. Don't go anywhere. Stay here, TonnoFlip.com.